Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to permanently delete your Pollo AI account. Whether you're switching platforms or just cleaning up your digital footprint, here's the easiest way to delete your Pollo AI account. Open the Pollo AI app or go to their official website and log in to your account. On the home page, tap your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap Account Settings, scroll down until you find Delete Account, then tap that. Polo will ask you to type delete my account below to confirm before continuing, and this is normal. Then tap confirm, and that's it. Your Polo AI account will now be scheduled for deletion. In most cases, it may take a few days to fully erase from their servers. If you change your mind, some platforms allow recovery within a short window, so check your email just in case.